you need some muscles to do this.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss ex-strippers
Hello YouTube, good morning. On today's episode, it's all about myself and probably my missus going out to get some home items, as you've seen in my previous vlogs. Some home items and basically a little groceries from an African shop to prepare some cuisine with these fingers, for some good meal so we can enjoy. So I'll keep you guys updated. It is Thursday today, and as you all can see, a whole lot of traffic, a long queue of vehicles, and I bet I just don't want to go out on Friday, so I had to do this shopping today and avoid the traffic. It's horrendous. So we've parked our car at the parking bay and decided to walk through town. So this is the town center or the city center of where I stay. So walk past so many shops. I think this is a toy shop and there's a fragrance shop. I have purchased a fragrance there before and the lady there was so lovely. We've got some other shop called Superdrug over here, and Nationwide Bank. And this shop is one shop that I have been planning to visit, which is H&M, but I've never had a chance to go in there. So one day or one of these days I'll try and go there. We've got Mark Spencer. We also have good and lovely services as well. So I will try one day and go in there with my missus. Have fun in there. So we're here and entering Primark to just get some little goodies for ourselves. Whole lot of people here selling goodies and things that people would love to buy. So just stick with me and enjoy yourself on this vlog. Sorry, my camera is not with me at the moment, so I have to use my phone to do this vlog. So after visiting Primark and all that, we decided to visit HomeSense to check on some home furnitures and some decorative pieces that we don't normally get in other stores. So we found a whole lot of varieties of stuff for fall or autumn, as the British would say, and they were really lovely. So I think we have plans to do something like that. These furnitures are also calling me, like, pick me, pick me, pick me. It's not bad, it's comfortable.
I agree.
It's a bit wider than the ones you saw, like.
Yeah.
It's also not bad, but the color, it's not neutral. You can't really do much with it when you're designing the room, because that one is neutral, this is not neutral. But it's not bad. It looks durable though. Yo guys, what do you guys think? Which one should I really go for? Is it a fashion one or is it a Paris one? this one is not really giving me the vibe I really want. And there's another one here, which is the London one, which I really like the colors. So let me know what you think. Yeah, I think the London one really catches me though. I don't know what you guys think. Let's go fashion one, Paris and London. Hello love you viewers. On this episode I have been in and out to get groceries and get home items. So today I am getting just groceries here. This is a day 2 kind of vlog. So I'm getting groceries here from a very good friend of mine who is just like a sister to me. So get ready with me and we will go in there, grab some few stuff so we can know what we can prepare tonight. That's the shop, Betty Com Market. So any kind of African groceries, Caribbean, Asian, everything, you can get them here. So make sure you contact them and they will help you. They'll be of good help to you. So let's get in. Now, these are some items that you can purchase from this lovely African shop. The lady here is called Betty. You can call her Betty Com if you want. So can you say hello to
Hi,
people?
hi. Welcome to Betty Com Market.
Thank you.
How can we help today?
Today I think I feel for fufu.
Is it?
So take me through what you can offer me here,
Right.
please.
So obviously you can't do fufu without the main product in it. We have fufu, we have these sizes,
Yep.
and the mom extra is big size.
Okay. And what else would it be possible for me to?
Light soup.
Yeah, like soup would do.
Okay, I've got garden eggs.
Garden
I've
eggs.
got garden eggs in a can as well.
Okay. Which one is better?
Personally, I do
The fresh one, the raw one.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I've got the fresh ones as well. And I can't do my light soup without okra.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I've got okra too. Some people don't mind doing their fufu or having the fudan with
The raw cassava, fresh one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I've got
That
the
sounds
fresh
good.
cassava. Unfortunately, the weather is destroying
Yeah,
the green
so
plantain.
I can see that. Yeah. The condition in
So we
UK here is very
always
bad.
have
Fresh
green
green
plantains.
things. Okay.
And if you want your martini or cocoyam as well.
Oh, okay, for poto and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you come to the freezer side, are you doing fish?
Fish and a bit of light goat meat or what we call yamadia.
Okay, so I've
Yeah.
got the shaki.
Shaki,
which is
yeah.
the cow intestine or the cow.
So let's see what we can get here in Ledo. Yep. Let's get that. Oh God. Yes. You all should try this kind of custard. It's so nice and yummy. These are some home items that looks so nice and soft, very comfortable. I like it. This is another aspect my missus will love, but I will also love it as well because I love to cook. So these utensils, the ones we already have are really old and a lot of scratches in them. So I think we need to purchase 1 or 2 of these. At this point, I had got whatever I need, and I am heading back home to prepare some sumptuous meal. So I just got home and I am in the kitchen preparing some fufu together with light soup, which has goat, kotoje, and some others in there. So I'm turning the fufu around. In my local dialect, I would say meka fufu. So stay tuned into this action. This moment, or kodu gidi gidi. So this is where you need to put in some mussels to get all the lumps out of the food. It's not really doing the work, so I have to change it. I've got this one. Sorry, I have to wash it. Back in here. This one has that strength to do the thing. So for the fufu, the consistency needs to be you need some muscles to do this. If you don't have that muscles, you can press the lumps in the fufu to smash it out. Voila, I am done and out of breath.